Hello children, in the last video you learnt about the important terms in MS Excel. Today I am going to explain the last part of chapter 6, how to insert texts, numbers and formulas. You can insert texts, numbers and formulas to the Excel sheet by using two simple steps. Just type and enter. Here I would like to introduce two more small buttons that appear on the formula bar. But this will appear only when you are typing something in the cell. Let me type another number here. Let's say 97. Okay. So you can see a cross symbol here and a tick mark. This cross symbol is used to cancel the data entered instead of using the delete key. Then the tick mark symbol is used to enter data instead of using the enter key. Here you can see FX button, which is used to insert functions such as sum, average, if, count and so on. So I select a sum and click OK. Now check whether the number range is correct. Then click OK again. Now I told you this is an insert functions button. And in our lesson topic, it talks about formulas. Let me tell you what the difference between function and formula is. So functions are built in calculations like sum, average, etc. But formulas are user-defined calculations. So this is a formula used the sum function. Remember, both functions and formulas must be started with an equal sign. The formula may consist of only values such as equal 84 plus 97. Okay. And it can be a combination of a number and a cell address. So I'll jump to the next cell and type equal 84. And instead of typing 97, I just select B3 cell and enter. Okay. And it can be only cell addresses equal B2 plus B3. So now you may understand what I meant by formulas are user-defined calculations. You can make formulas by on their own or mix with the functions that are given in MS Excel. Next we are going to talk about default text alignments for each data type. You know, cell can contain text, numbers or mathematical formulas. So let me show you. Default alignment of text is left and default alignment of number is right. But for formulas, before entering, it aligns to the left and after entering, it will change according to the data type. Let me double click here. You can see it aligns to the left and let me enter. Now it changes. That's for numbers, right? Let me type a text function to show the difference. Here I am going to take out the first four letters from word mathematics to make word math, M-A-T-H. So let's do it. I'm going to click here and click FX. Go to the category and choose text. Then click left function and click OK. Here I am going to show the cell A2. Then give 4 here and click OK. You can see here that even though it is a function, it has a line to the left because it is a text. Okay children, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.